Hi, my name is Lisa Inlow, and I am one of the department co-chairs for the Culinary Arts Hospitality and Travel and Tourism programs here at Saddleback at ATEP. A few of the things that make this program unique is one, our brand new state-of-the-art facility, which includes state-of-the-art equipment. We have one all-electric kitchen that includes induction. We have brand new Rationale ovens. We have a cafe. We have a fine dining restaurant. We also have cameras and screens for students to be able to see our demonstrations from anywhere in the kitchen.
My favorite thing about the Saddleback at ATEP campus is just the amount of space we have. It's amazing.
Our previous building was really tiny and cramped. With this space, it's just so much better. We can walk around.
Here we have 4 kitchens we can work with. We have multiple classrooms going on at once, so we can take more classes. I'm getting real restaurant experience in one of my classes, which is amazing.
The ovens are really great. We even have special ovens that we can use for artisan bread making. The counters are great. We have a nice dish sink in the back. Everything is just bigger and better.
What specifically led me to Saddleback ATEP in the first place was the amount of electives that I could choose from the courses here with the different cuisines, Italian, Mexican, and I'm going with the more pastry route, so I love taking the sugar classes and the chocolate classes. I just loved the program here, how fully developed and well-rounded it was.
Some of the skills that our students will learn while in our program begin with foundational skills, knife skills specifically, mother sauces. We also work towards menu development, and then of course lots of production. In addition to that, we have a culinary garden where students learn how to actually grow their own food and cook with it.
One thing I've learned here is just all the different techniques I can learn in the classes. Learning all the tips and tricks they have is just amazing because it's just something that I can't just know on my own. They have to teach me, you can't just mix them together, you have to do it in a certain way so it turns out successful.
One way the instructors support me in the program is by implementing KIT, which is keep it together. It very much helps keep the pace of the kitchen and calmness.
I've already learned so many incredible things at Saddleback. My favorite that I've learned so far is the artisan baking. I'm learning so much about shaping and scoring and what it takes to make a really good bread and different types of bread.
Our students come from all walks of life with all different experiences when they come here. Students just leaving high school to students returning into the workforce and even some retirees. And so we all do our best to make sure that we meet our students where they are so they're able to grow and learn with us.
From day one, I've always felt like I can talk to my teachers about any little questions I have. I've had teachers look at my resumes. I've had teachers recommend me for jobs. I can feel all the support and love and care that we get from our teachers. It is just astounding. Love my teachers.
Our program prepares our students by leaning heavily into our advisories. On our advisory committee, we have industry leaders such as the Surf and Sand, the Ranch, Hyatt, Marriott, Disney. Our advisory and industry partners really help us to make sure that all of our curriculum is up to date, that we are teaching students exactly what they need to know in the industry. Our industry partners provide internships, they provide apprenticeships and jobs for our students. I think the most exciting part of our new facility is our student-led restaurant, The Summit. I really enjoy teaching this class that helps students really understand a sense of urgency, and personally, I love the adrenaline rush of getting them there.
They run the service in here like a real world service, so they have front of the house, they have chef running on the pass, and then they have all the cooks and the sous chef on the line. The pace, the sense of urgency, it's all very much there.
This program is helping me learn about the whole restaurant industry experience with catering and working as a team and communicating as a team and doing it safely as well.
With the technique I'm learning in all the different classes, those are skills and they're super important to know. In my own job right now, I am teaching my other coworkers how to make a pastry cream or something, because that's not something they've learned at the job. It's something I've learned here and now I'm going to teach them and help them out as well. Whenever we have a new recipe come in, it's not just like, how do we do this? I already know how to do it and I know how to do it correctly.
I would say to someone looking to join our program here to embrace the journey, master the fundamentals, and look forward to continuing your education throughout your life. There's always something new to learn.
If you really want to lock in your culinary skills, knife skills, definitely do it here.
Just go for it, just do it. I've made so many great friends and connections that will help you out in the future when you're going out into the real restaurant industry or hotel industry. I couldn't ask for a better program to be in.